In this video, I will show you how to rotate text in Microsoft Word. So very simple and easy way you can rotate your text easily. You need firstly click on insert, then text box. Select here simple text box and paste your text here. Now select your text and change the size, color and what you need. Adjust this box size according your text. Now you can manually rotate. And once you double click on it, so in the shape format, here is the option rotate object. You can rotate 90 degree, left 90 degree, and flip vertical and flip horizontal. To keep there, click here and in the shape fill select no fill and shape outline select no outline and click anyway. So this way you can rotate your text in Microsoft Word document. Thanks for watching.